Good morning, Year 4A. The weekend is unfortunately over, and today is Sunday, and we are starting yet another learning week. So I hope you're ready for that. Today is Sunday, the 7th of June. Okay, guys, so what are we going to be doing today? Your first lesson or your day starts with English spelling and handwriting. You will spell words with the suffix shun, and you will have to do your spelling activities as usual, and you will have 1 week to submit that until Thursday. But as I said, guys, don't leave anything until late or later. Just do it as soon as possible so you can get it out of the way and it's done. And handwriting unit 28, so please do make sure you try your best. I will be checking your work. Submit it on Dojo. Then, guys, lesson 2 and 3, you will need to check your own timetables. For those who have UAE Social Studies B on Sundays, I will post that material on Dojo so you can access it. And then the fourth lesson is science. In science, you will be learning about pitches. It's about sound. We continue learning about sounds, about high and low sounds and pitches. And there will be no need to submit anything on Dojo. You just will have work in your CGP workbook, I think. And then it's going to be maths, and we are going to be talking about fractions of a whole. You are already familiar with fractions, so this shouldn't be a new topic or a difficult topic. So I hope you do well, and I hope you understand this topic. And also, there is no need to submit anything for today. All right, and your last lesson will be PE with Mr. Olaf. Please don't forget to be online for that lesson on Teams. All right, regarding the riddle from Thursday, the riddle was all right, what word is always spelled wrong in the dictionary? So the answer that I was looking for was the word wrong. Wrong is spelled as wrong in every dictionary. Most of you said wrong. Zohaib said incorrectly, which is a synonym, which is very good thinking. Also, incorrectly is, I mean, the other meaning of incorrectly is of wrong is incorrectly, so that's good thinking. Also, Divine said incorrect, but the rest of you said wrong. Celine, wrong or incorrect? Amina, inappropriate, inaccurate, incorrect, mistaken, false. These are all synonyms of wrong, so that's also very good thinking. Also, Ryan, false or wrong? Wrong. Okay, we have some words from Mahala that I don't really get or understand, but it's okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for commenting. That's very good. And your riddle for today that you will have to answer under this post is: what has bed but never sleeps? It can run, but it never walks. It has a bank but no money. Okay, what is it? Once again, what has a bed but never sleeps? It can run but never walk. It has a bank but no money. So what am I? Please leave your answers below as usual. And an inspirational quote for today, guys. Right. So the inspirational quote for today, guys, is: nothing is particularly hard if you break it down into small jobs. So, guys, this kind of applies to everything we do at school or in life. If a task seems really, really difficult, it will always be easier if you break it down. So, whenever something seems very, very complicated, just break it down to small tasks and you will be able to complete that big task. This is also multi-step, this is analyzing, multi-step and complex problem solving. When something is really hard, I break it down into smaller tasks. So that's very useful. Now, regarding our meeting today, let me see. So the last lesson that we have together for today is the maths lesson, which is the fifth lesson. So guys, we will meet today at 12:35 on Teams. Don't forget, okay, 12:35. And the dress code for today, you can see I'm wearing pink. I'm wearing blue underneath, but it has some pink stuff. So today's code is pink. So if you can, please wear pink for the meeting. All right, and that's it from me. I hope you will have a great day, and I will, of course, be available on Teams and on Dojo throughout the day. All right, see you later.